Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage device permissions on your accounts on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram and then go to this profile section, click on these three lines and then scroll down to the device permissions, click on it. So as you see here, your preferences, so the camera you can allow it or no, don't allow it. The contact, the same thing, update device settings if you want. The location services and the microphone, the notifications and the photos and videos. So that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.